Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I am making vegan chickpea tuna salad, and the best part about it is there's no cooking required. And we're just going to need a few ingredients, starting off with some red onion and celery, salt, garbanzo beans or chickpeas, sweet relish, yellow mustard, vegan mayo, Old Bay, and pepper. So first you just want to drain and rinse your chickpeas and then place them in a bowl. Then we're going to take a fork and we're just going to start mashing up our chickpeas. You can do this in a food processor, but really this only takes a few minutes to do by hand. And this is what it should look like, mostly mashed up, but there's also some whole pieces still left in there for texture. So we're just going to add in about a quarter cup of our vegan mayo, then about 2 teaspoons of yellow mustard, 2 tablespoons of our sweet relish, about a teaspoon or so of Old Bay, salt and pepper to taste, and then we're going to add in about a quarter cup of chopped red onions and 2 stalks of celery. Then we're just going to give that a good stir. And this is what it should look like with all of your ingredients combined. Then we're just gonna plate it up. I am using this New York rye bread. And I'm just going to pile in the chickpea salad. And this is what it looks like when you cut into it. And I'm just serving it up with some veggie tortilla chips. And this was my lunch. Super yummy and full of protein. Then as a snack option, I just got this roll of crackers, and I'm just gonna lay a few out and just put a bit of our tuna salad on each one, and just garnish with a little bit of chopped green onion. And here is the tuna salad snack option. Let me know in the comments below if you've tried chickpea tuna salad or if you plan on trying this recipe. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for more vegan content just like this, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram at thenicoleriley. See you in the next video.